Sup guys, let's do this.
What is up, you guys? Claudio back again with a new reaction. This time we have the 5 strangest planets in space. This was suggested by, and he thought that we should check this out. So let's. Okay. Strangest planets in space.
Jupiter is so big that 1,300 planets of the size of Earth could fit into it. A planet dubbed TRES-4 makes the giant Jupiter seem less frightening, as it is 1.7 times bigger. The planet falls into the category of so-called puffy planets, which are planets of extremely low densities. The giant size and the low density are a combination that we have not yet seen. According to what science has taught us so far, this planet shouldn't be able to exist. Located 1,400 light years away from Earth, the mysterious planet twirls around its central star, making a full circle only every 3 Earth years. The star itself is quite a theoretical problem for astronomers, as it is as old as our Sun, but much more advanced, emitting 3 to 4 times more energy than the Sun. Although quite an unusual parent star, it does not explain TRES-4's anomalous size. There is a rocky planet orbiting a star 480 light years away. Not that much bigger in mass or radius than the Earth. However, the planet seems to be the incarnation of the human idea of hell. The planet is home to rock rains and raging volcanoes.
Really?
The temperatures vary drastically, with the side of the planet always facing the star, reaching the temperatures as high as 2,000 degrees Celsius.
Jesus!
With the far side of the planet always
Celsius.
under a cold shadow, reaching up to minus 220 degrees Celsius.
That is fucking ridiculous.
This planet is a hellish place, and it has been named Korat 7b after the telescope that first discovered it.
Interesting.
The planet closest to our solar system is orbiting its star at a distance of only 10.5 light years. The planet is a gas giant, 1.5 times more massive than Jupiter, and it takes 7 years to circle its sun-like star. Because of its closeness, scientists predict that telescopes will soon be able to photograph it. It is still unclear if this giant has any moons, but scientists claim that if it were to turn out it was in fact circled by moons, it is very likely that the moons are similar to Earth, both when it comes to size and temperature, and they could be carriers of water, meaning a potential source of life. 4,000 light years from Earth, a diamond planet is orbiting a small star.
Really?
The giant diamond spinning in space is actually a dead star, and the diamond structure is the result of ultra-high pressures, causing carbon to crystallize. In other words, the dead core of a star is now classified as a planet due to the transformation it has endured. The planet is literally made out of diamonds, and it orbits a dense pulsing star smaller than our Sun. It orbits the star in a little more than 2 hours. Although it has lost a lot of its mass, it is still much bigger than the parent star it orbits. The 55 Cancri E is a planet classified as super-Earth, meaning it's twice the size of our planet, with temperatures that reach 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet is located 40 light years away. Still, its size and mass aren't what actually makes it deserving of the title super. The planet is, in fact, the most valuable place in the universe. The rocky planet is made mostly of carbon, turned into diamond and graphite. If the planet were to be mined, it would be worth a total of $26.9 million. According to Forbes,
is that even a number?
Only 0.182% of the planet would be enough to pay back the total debt of all governments in the world.
Thoughts?
Yeah. Let's stop it right there. I mean, our concept of money is fucking ridiculous. But I mean, alright, that's a cool planet. I mean, money is yeah, whatever. This shit is dangerous. It's dangerous to me because once I enter, I go in this sort of vortex. Have you, I don't know, have you ever experienced that? the YouTube vortex. You start clicking one, and then you end up on another one that looks like very interesting, like the most expensive thing on earth, like the 10 craziest drugs you ever heard of, 5 internet celebrities after they got stuff like that keeps you clicking on the fucking videos, and then you enter the vortex. Like fucking 2 days later, you're like, where is everybody? You know, dangerous shit. Thank you for the suggestion, but this is fucking dangerous. Top trending, huh? Pretty cool. Anyway, planets. Love that shit. I think it's fascinating. I don't care if they're made of diamond. It's interesting. But I mean, you know what's the most interesting part? Is that scientists are baffled that they can't explain something. It's like, what? It's like, just because we have a certain atmosphere and that we require water to live or to sustain life doesn't mean that other organisms, just to say aliens or whatever, need the same requirements. Am I wrong? Couldn't they live off something else? Or is like water the standard for like every form of life? I don't know. Maybe we have aliens living out there eating, I don't know, diamonds. Who the fuck knows? Anyway, they know this shit better than I do. I'm just speculating. I don't know. Oh, top 10 strangest planets in the known universe. Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, the YouTube vortex, watch out for that, especially on weekends, because it becomes like, whoa. And then your friends stop calling, stuff like that. Your girlfriend leaves you and all that. Oh, man. Watch out for the YouTube vortex, I'm telling you. All right, thank you for the suggestion. Thank you for liking, commenting, and all that good stuff in the blah, you know. Yeah, all right. Good times. See you on the next one.